Okay, girl, let's be real for a second. Have you ever wondered why some people just look effortlessly attractive and you feel like, well, meh? Yep, it's not always about genetics. Sometimes it's about tiny habits that are secretly killing your charm. And the worst part? No one ever tells you this. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to fix to upgrade your look, vibe, and confidence without buying hundreds of products or spending hours on Instagram tutorials. Stick till the end because number 7, total game changer. Trust me, this will change the way you see yourself. Now let's get into it. 1. Poor posture. The silent confidence killer. Slouching doesn't just make you look tired or lazy, it drains your confidence instantly. You could have the best outfit, perfect hair, glowing skin, but if you're hunched over like a tired shrimp, girl, the whole vibe is off. It makes you look scared or like you don't want to be seen. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. 10 minutes of daily stretches can make you look longer, lighter, and way more put together. Even while sitting, pull your shoulders back and lengthen your spine. Posture, just instant glow-up hack. 2. Neglecting skincare. Dull skin drains charm. Dull, oily, or acne-prone skin can ruin your natural charm. You don't need 10 products to fix it. People think good skin means you take care of yourself. Bad skin can make them think you're stressed or messy. Here's all you need: cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Gentle cleanser, balancing toner, and a lightweight moisturizer that suits your skin type. Simple, effective, and not overwhelming. For that instant clean girl vibe, ice cube on your face in the morning or a splash of cold water. Your skin will look fresh and awake without any filters. 3. Poor hygiene. Body odor, greasy hair, messy nails. Yes, it matters. Cleanliness is equal to confidence. If you don't look clean, people will stay away. They won't listen to what you're saying. Quick tips. Ditch that old loofah for a soft washcloth. Loofahs trap bacteria and can actually make your skin worse. Always dry your underarms before applying deodorant. Wash your hair regularly, depending on your scalp type, and use lightweight hair products to prevent grease or frizz. Hygiene is low effort, high impact, and instantly noticeable. 4. Negative attitude. Your vibe matters. Complaining, gossiping, or always being pessimistic. That kills the vibe. People are naturally drawn to positivity and energy. Being negative is like being a dark cloud. People don't want to stand in the rain. Smile more, laugh genuinely, and say kind words. Focusing on gratitude and small joys improves your aura and makes people want to be around you. 5. Ignoring fitness. Your energy speaks. You don't need to be gym-obsessed, but moving your body daily is more attractive than most beauty trends. It boosts confidence, energy, and even improves your skin and hair health. When you move, you look strong and full of life. Sitting all the time makes you look lazy. Simple hacks. 10-15 minutes of morning stretches or yoga. Short home workouts like squats, push-ups, or dancing. Walk instead of scrolling your phone for 30 minutes. Fitness is equal to an invisible charm boost that everyone notices. 6. Dressing. Messily clothes. Speak louder than words. Even if your makeup is perfect and your skin is glowing, clothes that don't fit or look sloppy can ruin the whole vibe. You don't need expensive brands. Basics, well-fitted outfits, and simple accessories can upgrade your look instantly. Messy clothes tell people you didn't try. It looks like you don't care. Mirror test hack. If you wouldn't take a photo of yourself in the outfit, don't wear it. Basics like a white tee, jeans that fit, and minimal accessories is always cute. 7. Poor communication skills. Being attractive isn't just about looks. How you talk, listen, and connect matters a lot. Eye contact, friendly tone, and small talk increase your charm instantly. The biggest mistake? When someone talks, you only wait for your turn to speak. That makes them feel alone. Genuine listening, nodding, and responding thoughtfully make people feel respected, and that makes you magnetic. 8. Laziness and lack of motivation. Energy is attractive. People notice drive and ambition more than beauty trends. Even small wins count. Taking care of your room, finishing tasks, or sticking to a skincare routine shows discipline and self-respect. Laziness makes you look like things happen to you. Taking action makes you look like you're in control of your life. Consistency in simple tasks reflects self-discipline, which is subconsciously very appealing. 9. Overthinking and insecurity. Constant overthinking kills your aura. People notice insecurity subconsciously. Self-love, small daily affirmations, and celebrating small wins can completely change how you're perceived. Your body language will reflect confidence automatically. 10. Lack of personal style. Copying everyone else or ignoring what suits you makes you blend in. Hair, accessories, and clothes all reflect your personality. Your style is how you tell the world who you are without speaking. If you experiment with colors that suit your skin tone, simple accessories, and hairstyles that are flattering yet easy. Once you find your signature style, people notice your aura, not just your outfit. If you loved this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me which habit you're fixing first, and see you in the next video. Bye.